Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of my purchase that I did some time ago at Victoria's Secret online store. It's just bag and small wallet. Maybe let's do wallet first. So the wallet looks like this. Let's unbox it. Should I zoom on this wallet? So it looks like heart, really cute. It has here the circle. You can put keys or something. When it opens, and inside is like this. Coin purse or something. I think it could be good for keys. Car keys. Right here. For now I will keep it with that sponge inside. So yeah, that. Second item I've got, and that's all for this haul. Haul is the Victoria's Secret thing. Victoria's Secret bag. It came in plastic. Let's unbox it. I keep the bag, but this I will go. Let's open it. It has shape like Louis Vuitton shape. And let's see. Let's take out these papers. I will keep these things. Let's get rid of papers. And inside, now empty. Now let's get rid of this. This. It was 84 originally, but I used some coupon codes and rewards, I think, because I had. So it was much cheaper for me. Let's unbox it. Like here. I wanna wear it in camera. And this part 2. Even this one is covered with something like this. Seems good quality. V letter. Yeah, it's unboxed. So it looks like this. It has VS logo here in front. It's of course it's bag level, but it's like similar to pebbled leather. Because if you can see, it has such design. Can you see? Yeah, I think so. So yeah, it has those tassels here, like it reminds me of Louis Vuitton here. This part, but I don't think these ones go down or up, just stuck over. And we end something like this. Same on this side. Inside it's nice big compartment and one zipper pocket here on the side that you open, and it's built in the wall, so you can put some things here. I will put this and camera to not lose it. I will put the remote maybe. You can put phone. The phone can be on the back. And my wallet. Yeah, so that's how it looks inside. And outside it stands when you put it on. See? Bottom looks like this. Simple. Doesn't have any legs, feet. So yeah, and I can show you how it looks on me. And it has nice two shoulder straps that are perfect length. Yeah. And I will show you how it looks on me. Now we are outside, so it's good. I mean, it's a nice place. Nice light, more light here than in my room. And it's more space too. On me looks like this. I will make zoom. So mainly like so. So maybe this way. I like such bags because they're easy to carry, and actually you don't feel weight in them so much. So yeah. So it presents like itself like this. Also, I forgot to mention, also come with zipper, so it's even better than some other tote bags without one. So it has nice zipper with logo too, and it closes. Let's see, because I need two hands. It goes like this, and it looks like this. Nice. And it looks like this. that's my unboxing for today from Victoria's Secret. Hope you enjoy such videos. If you do, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos or vlogs, videos in general. Thank you, bye. Maybe I will also show you how it looks from back, from top, or maybe here. Now second part of my outing here in the yard is to walk. So I will walk right now. It's nice weather. Maybe I could go even further down the street, walk. I'm not sure. What should I do? I don't know. I can walk here maybe for now. Outside. And forest looks like this. Inside, I'm afraid to go inside because mosquitoes were. That's why. See? That's what I don't like. Being bitten by mosquitoes. Main issues when you go in forest. You have to spray yourself with that spray. Okay. So off to walk. Small walk here. Bye.
By the sun.